WA's sky was set alight last night with a spectacularly rare meteor show. The 200-kilometre-long fireball was spotted right across the southwest. Rebecca Johns reports.
Good afternoon. It lasted just 5 seconds, but the meteor could be seen by stunned West Aussies from as far north as Llansillen, south to Esperance and even inland to Merredin. Joining me now from the Perth Observatory is Matt Woods. Matt, what can you tell me about this?
Oh, it was a fantastic meteor last night. We came in screaming at about 300 kilometres above us, and it burned up by 62 kilometres above us. And it started off around about Pemberton, and then it travelled southwest into the Southern Ocean.
And what can you tell me about the actual meteor itself? How big, how fast?
Yeah, so it would have been about the size of a cricket ball, and that thing did not survive, unfortunately. It was mostly made up of rock, iron, maybe a little bit of ice, and so unfortunately, yeah, by all that friction as it was going through the atmosphere, it just ended up dissolving and being dust in the atmosphere.
Yeah, wow. And you did mention to me earlier it was about 200 kilometres in length. Why did it give off that green colour?
Yeah, so as it's screaming across, that green tinge that you see, the tail is about 200 kilometres across, but that green colour is actually due to iron in the rock. So as the rock was melting, that iron was giving off that lovely green colour we all see. And
tell me, did you see it?
Unfortunately not. I was in my office and I was actually speaking to a volunteer and his wife actually saw it, and that's when I've heard, oh no, this is going to be a big night. I was going home, so that was 10 to 9 and I didn't get home till 4 a.m.
A very busy night for you, I'm sure. Such a shame you didn't see it, but Matt, thank you so much. And we will, of course, have more videos and pictures of last night's stunning light display tonight at 6.
The Perth sky was set ablaze last night with a spectacularly rare meteor shower. The 200-kilometre-long fireball was spotted right across the southwest. Rebecca Johns reports.
Whoa! Whoa! Holy what the
The size of a cricket ball with a 200-kilometre-long tail.
What is that? I can look at the window. Can you see that?
A rare meteor spectacle lit up WA's sky just before 9 o'clock last night.
Phew, just shooting down, and it was bright white and the tail was like a bright neon blue. It lasted so long, it was so fabulous. It was like, wow, amazing.
The fireball spotted as far north as Llansillen, south to Esperance and inland to Merredin.
Most meteors are fairly similar to this, iron meteors. This one tends to be made up of very weak material, so it's probably got a bit of iron, bit of rock and a bit of ice.
It entered the atmosphere above Pemberton before disintegrating over the Indian Ocean off Albany and lasted just 5 seconds.
It would have been going about 16 to 30 kilometres a second. So imagine going from the Perth Observatory to the CBD in, anywhere between 2 to 1 seconds or so.
Experts say each year more than 100 tonnes of space material hits Earth, but it's rare to actually see it with the naked eye. It has to be big enough and only happens once or twice a year.
Oh my God!
Whoa!
Rebecca Johns, 7 News.